So today is July 23rd, and this is the second day of the software update. Um, like I said, I reset the dates and I changed the dates a little. So this is the second day of our software update video. I should probably change the name to something else. Not typically a software update, but something like. mm I don't know. Maybe I'll make either a short or another video about I'll talk about the name change in another video, or probably make a short. But what I wanted today I didn't do anything when it comes to building the mobile apps, but I did some of the most crucial things when it comes to software development. When it comes to building these apps, which are like earlier I didn't have, which are one of the things I did was that right here I have it written. I mean the email and the password, but I couldn't remember my GitHub login, so which is really crucial as that was I was because the reason the GitHub login and the GitHub was really important for me was because I was using the GitHub account to log in into my Superbase. Because of that it was really not so it was really important. It was like not something that I cannot care about. And due in these test tabs was it like yellow color? Let me check. Is it okay? It's okay a little bit. It's I don't know. I'll just keep it like this. Maybe because both the windows are open to my side. It's okay. Let's just not never mind. Um, what I want to tell you is that the Superbase is used for the authentication and for the data collection of the users, which are two of the most really important things when it comes to building a mobile app. And also I was organizing my sims. You could see it right here, my you know and some of my other numbers, and I have my sim one of my sims here. And yeah, the other two sims are already in the phone, and I had to organize that as well because I use one Google account separately for my mobile app work purposes, and the other one for my personal work. Uh, and personal work, and then the other one is used for my damn, it just gets red color. I don't know why. So it's just I don't know why. It's no mind. So, and finally, the third one is used for my YouTube work purposes, right? And the documenting the process and stuff like that. That's what the third YouTube channel, which I have my not the YouTube channel, the third Google account, which I have my YouTube channel linked to, is used for. So yeah, I organized the sims, and then I also renewed the logins to my Superbase and my GitHub as well. And I don't think I was logged into the Superbase, but I have been logged into my Superbase earlier because it was kind of not so it was actually kind of different because it just asked me to sign up, which means that I haven't necessarily logged in. I had a Superbase account, but which was to make the test apps. The email I have given for that Superbase was my personal email, which I can use for my software work purposes. And I also added authentication to both the apps. One worked well, and the other one didn't. I don't know why. One of the apps didn't work well with authentication, but yeah, it didn't work. Let me check. I don't have it written like it isn't like a script or anything. It's just the things I just wrote down. The important stuff I wrote down while I was working. And I also watched one video which was regarding some apps that I could copy. And one of the things I found out was that there's this app called Bible Chat app, which I mean that app's good. That app, like, it has one of the best UIs I've seen. So yeah, I'm gonna try it out as well. The next video is like tomorrow I'll make another software video if I can. Most of the time I will, but I'm not sure about that because I don't know. And Saturday and Sunday I will be really busy, so I won't be, most of the time I won't be able to make a software update video. Even if I do it, it will be in the night. So yeah, yesterday I did something with my mobile app, but I just can't remember what it is exactly. Oh, I changed the taskbar, and like those, I don't think those are necessary for you guys to sure, because it's not my final app. And before I get into my final thing, before I get into the final part, I want to say um, also one of the new app ideas that I got is you know an AI app where the users could talk to religious people. Like, you say, if you're Buddhist, you can talk to Lord Buddha, or if you're Christian, you can talk to Jesus, or if you're Muslim, you can talk to Muhammad. I think he's Prophet Muhammad. I think is the religious leader. An app that could do something like that. And I could just ask the AI some stuff, how what they think of it, because I just can't find any other app that does something like that. So also, if I'm doing that and if it goes well, I have an idea to combine this app of the idea where you can just ask, like, for example, we have people like Elon Musk, Shakira. I don't know, I just saw Shakira and I just said her name. No, I'm not like a real big fan of her, but Taylor Swift, and Justin Bieber, not just artists and stuff like Mark Zuckerberg, Donald Trump, which would be really hilarious. Oh, here it comes again. My hands was a pain because I'm like lifting this thing up. It's okay, but what I want to tell is that's the idea I got, and I think that's it. I think that's all I wanted to tell for today's subject. And today I'll be making the budget for our app, which is how what are the expenses, how are they gonna be spent, how's the money gonna be spent. And I'm gonna make the video on I'm gonna make the doc on that. And I also watch some videos, and I'll also keep watching the videos, and I have to like finish taking down notes and keep my studies a little aside when it comes to software videos, and just start building. So yeah, apart from that, let me just think for a second. Apart from that, I also I made the marketing plan for my app. I'll just talk about that in a separate video. I did it yesterday. What I wanted to tell was that I'll be doing watching some videos on Superbase, because I don't know how that works and what that really is used for. So because of that, I think Superbase is a crucial app, and that's why I have to do this stuff with my Git and etc. as well. Yeah, I'll be watching the videos, I'll be making the budget for that, and I think that's all I have to talk in this video, because I don't have really any other really important stuff when it comes to my software updates. So Yeah, see ya. Today is July 23rd.